Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two SEO tools platform to help you decide which of these will be a better option for you in 2025. So let's get started with the in-depth review about Content Raptor and Moz. So to get started, Content Raptor is a newer AI-powered SEO tools focused on content optimization. It offers features like SEO scoring, real-time content analysis, keyword suggestion, and integration with WordPress and Google Search Console. It's a beginner-friendly and affordable starting price at $47 per month, which makes it a great option for bloggers, small businesses, and content marketers who want quick, actionable SEO improvement without the high cost or complexity. Talking about Moz, on the other hand, is a long-established full-site SEO platform known for tools like Keyword Explorer, site audit, domain authority scoring. It's trusted by the marketers and agencies for the national SEO tasks like link tracking, homepage analysis, and ranking monitoring. However, it starts at $99 per month, for which may feel limited compared to newer tools in terms of backlink depth and automation. So if your focus is on content SEO at a lower price, Content Raptor is worth it, but for broader SEO strategies and brand authority tracking, most still hold this strong. And that's it.